Yeah, guys, somebody sent me a message asking me how does our target profit work, or how do we target our profit. I made a post on, if you check my page, you said that we made a post where we are expecting a 20% profit return on commodities such as crude oil, and we also make a post where we're expecting about 50% profit return on gold. These two asset classes, if you check very well, we have consistently keep like pointing fingers at them, talking about it. But let me just give you a quick update about the market. I'm back from work. I can see I'm in a very quiet place. So now it's very possible to make 20% return per month. Yeah, it's very possible. Why? Because we don't trade on spot market. Spot market movement is not as volatile, as liquid as CFD and the future market. Though we have access to those markets. So when it comes to CFD and the futures, it has capacity to generate that profit. However, it's not really possible to make it consistently. That's not what is that one is not possible. But it can easily make. Well, assuming you have like $10,000 account, what is 20% of it? Is $2,000 profit. Yeah. If you have a $1,000 account, 20% of it is about $200, and it is very, very possible. So if you check how the market has been performing, like those of us that are trading with me, if you are on live with me when we were trading live on the live market through the Zoom channel, you see, I was telling you guys that the way the market is going, the oil market is going, that the price may go up because we got information from the news and everything that Israel is most likely going to attack Iran. And remember, we were also buying on the oil instrument, or we are investing on oil instrument rather. Let me use that word investing so that it will sound familiar with the financial system. So within 2 days after revealing that into our traders, then there was attack from Israel on Iran, and the price of oil just went up. So it's possible to hit 20% return on market. Now look at how it works. We are not like other people. We are different. We use unique approach, and we also use research institutions and research analysts. So how to make that happen is easy. Let's say you have a $10,000 account, or $50,000 account, or $1,000 account, or portfolio, anyhow you can call it. We will try to put a risk measure, maybe 5% risk measure on it, while we're expecting 20% return. Yeah, the money you put on investing in financial market is not a savings account. You are all expecting a growth. So investors, we expect high return on high market probability for profit. That's how it works. They are there to make profit. They are not there to save the money. So because of that, we can put 5% risk on it, and then now we will most likely invest it on top performing asset, and at a critical time when we have more chances of gaining profit. We don't speculate like regular traders do, you know what I mean? So we try to put it or execute those order at critical time where we have capacity to make more profit from it. We call it top top performing opportunities, or top trading opportunities, or top investment opportunities, anyhow you can call it. So that is how we do. So when we identify those opportunities, which we have less probability of going contrary to our analysis, then we execute it. Then we can put a risk measure, maybe 5%. And our market is very, very liquid. Is very, very active. There's always investors there, so that's why the market move very fast. It's unlike some spot market where the movement is very dormant because there's no much activities. So on that note, we have capacity to generate a very big return on that. So we call it medium risk. It's not like it's a high risk. Those who trade on high risk market know that you can make more. But on a low risk, it's a different level. But this is a special approach we are using to make sure we maximize opportunity, because what is happening both in gold market and oil market these days is something that is obviously clear that investors are going to cash out, So it's very possible to make 20%, so, or 50%, or even more. I'm just telling you like that, or even more. For example, oil gain $10 within 24 hours. Yeah, $10. And those who trade on CFD, that $10 means 1,000 people. So assuming you are using maybe $2 to trade on like $2 unit, or $2 loss, that's about $2,000 profit. So if you have $10,000, you have hit 20%. It's as simple as that. What is more important is identifying those critical time, which we are very good at. You know what I mean? So, but I'm not giving you advice because this is on the public. This is my personal channel anyway. So I'm not giving you investment advice. Those of you that are not with us, but if you want to join us to understand these things, you are welcome. You can send me a DM. I will reply you. We'll schedule a Zoom meeting and we see how understand the approach and your objective and everything, and know whether we could work together. And then I can tell you there is a good opportunity to make profit. For example, federal government is investing on 100,000 youth in Nigeria on financial market. You see, they have seen the need to it. That was the same market they were thinking of years back, that is scam, it doesn't work, it doesn't work now. They want to empower the youth because obviously they have done their investigation, discover that global market exists, unlike the regional market that is not too active. So financial market is real. It's something you can work on and make a lot of profit. So it can be here and interconnect on to different exchange across the globe, not just different brokers, where you can be able to make investment offshore and make a good return from maybe New York stock market, ICE and CME, different market. And there are a lot of international brokers that can facilitate your orders across those exchanges. And you make a lot of returns. It's possible. So, but we are here to serve as a channel, like to give you education, connect you to the proper channel, and help you make the very good use of the global market structure and make a very good return. Anyway, as I said, send me a DM, chat us up, or check our DM or within our video. You will see our link and join us and book a consultation with us. Let us know who you are and see how we can be able to enroll you in our training and trading services, and you will see the benefit and the difference between us and other people. So I see remain your humble guy, your loyal guy, which a paragon.